Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll show you how can you fix undefined on Instagram app. If you're facing undefined on Instagram app or the issue such as this, there are several factors that might prevent you from signing up on your Instagram account. Now, Instagram has banned your account, or you might have hit the limit for a number of accounts that can be created with a single email address. Now, problem with email address network or server can obstruct user restriction. In order to fix the undefined error on the Instagram app, you could try restarting your device. So you could hold on to your side buttons and restart your device. That can be able to fix the issue all at once. Now, sometimes the outdated version can also lead to such issue. So go to your Play Store and on the search box you want to type in Instagram. After which, check whether the app needs to be updated or not. If it needs to be updated, then click the update button. Try logging into your account. That can be able to fix the issue. However, if the issue persists on, then you could also try clearing your cache as well as data. So go to the Instagram or long press the Instagram application and then go to this I button or the app info section. Go to storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache. Now if you go and make sure to clear storage, that should be able to fix it. However, this is going to delete your data, so only if you're sure about it, then click on the OK button. That can be able to fix the issue all at once. If nothing seems to be working out, then force stop the application for a couple of seconds or a minute. Then you try logging into your account. That should be able to fix it as well. If not, you could also go ahead and uninstall the Instagram app and restart your device at the same time. That will be able to help you out to fix the issue all at once. So these are some of the ways to fix your undefined error on Instagram app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.